Hey everybody, Drew here with Drew's Garage. Today we are going to install the mud flaps that are an option that you can get through the GM accessories department. So I picked up a set last week. We go ahead and get them installed. So we're going to take a look at what they give you. Obviously it's not much. If you can take a look here. So there's this little small area right here which is not protecting anything. You get a lot of kickback up on the side of the vehicle. So we've got them for the front and we also have them for the rear. So they're gonna go out. You can see there's nothing extending. You can see there's nothing extending out behind the wheel well here. So we went ahead and got those ordered. Let's go ahead and put them on and see how long it takes. So if we take a look, this is what we've got. It has the clips right here. So we're gonna pull off the one we have. It's gonna give us about an inch to an inch and a half, maybe 2 inches at the very bottom. So we'll take a look at how far that sits out. So the vehicle has one 5mm bolt underneath. So they pop right out. You can see the difference. So we got a little added lip. We'll go ahead and get this one here installed. All right, so we can see we've got the clips out. You can see there's these little two slots here. So we've got an opening. Get all that lined up. Boom, she's in. We'll put the screw in the bottom, put back on, and then we'll finish up and do the other three. All right, we'll get this back one off here. There it is. Got the last one off. All right, so same way here. This one's got one insert, the other two in the front had two. So we'll line up right there in that top spot. Everything lines up really good. Goes right in. So I bought 3 Corvettes. The last 2, I added the GM credit card. They gave me some reward points. I had 46,300 some odd points. So that came out to roughly about $436. So I was able to pick these up. We just did the install with the mud guards. They're really nice. They extend out to help protect the vehicle. And then we also picked up the all-weather floor mats, which are really nice because they protect the vehicle, allow me to put up the carpeted ones. So I added these and also the rear license plate frame. So I just went online to their website, went to the accessories, added the carbon fiber license plate frame, the mud guards, and the floor mats. Thanks GM, appreciate the points. We definitely put them to good use. Listen, if you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button, hit the bell for notifications. Until next time, enjoy the ride.